Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers and make out spontaneously.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a master bedroom room refresh. So this is the last time you're going to see my room like this. So I did order a new headboard and 2 nightstands. So I'm going to go ahead and empty out all the things that are in the nightstand, and then I'm gonna pull back the bedding and we're gonna bring all the new stuff in. I am so excited for today's video. There's gonna be some cleaning, there's going to be a little bit of decorating, but this is the last time you will see my bedroom like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty everything out of those tables and fold back the bedding and then take out the old stuff and bring in the new. So I hope you enjoy today's video. Also, I went ahead and grabbed a bin just to throw everything in that's in the nightstands, and then I'm gonna sort through it once we get the new ones in, and I'm going to organize it. So I just thought this would make it a little bit easier.
Sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today for a room refresh, some spring cleaning and decorating, and for just hanging out with me today. Today's video is a collaboration with some of my friends on YouTube who will be giving you tons of spring cleaning and decorating inspiration. I know it may seem early, but spring honestly gives me something to look forward to during -1 degree weather. I'll have the link to the playlist in my description box if you want to watch some spring cleaning or some spring decor hauls. You'll find it all there. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe for my future videos. I've got so many home projects, spring decor, spring cleaning, and even some mom routines for health and fitness, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. And of course, to those of you who are always here for me, thanks for coming back for another video.
So now that the nightstands and everything are cleared out, I'm gonna go ahead and strip the bed and just kind of throw everything in my closet and then figure it out once the new bed is all set up.
Can't wait for you guys to see the new bed and the new nightstands. I will have links to those below. My bed was from Amazon for a really reasonable price, and the 2 nightstands that I bought are from Wayfair.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older.
Once I got everything off, I remembered that this mattress cover unzips, so I'm going to go ahead and unzip it now since we're going to be pulling the mattress off anyway, and throw it in the wash, and then it should be all done by the time we are ready to put the bed back on. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip it. It's underneath, but I know that I can do it. Just got to find that zipper.
We're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires around ourselves. It's deja vu.
Why can't I find the zipper?
It's deja vu.
At this point, I realized I needed my husband's help to help me lift the mattress so that I could find that zipper. So in a second, you'll see him come in and he's going to help me. I just really wanted to get this in the wash with some hot water and some bleach. By the way, my next video is going to be about laundry stripping, which has completely changed my view on how to wash laundry. And now I feel like I need to strip every single item that is in my home. And I cannot wait for you guys to see that video. It should be up Wednesday morning.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
So the next step after getting the room cleared out is of course to build the bed, but first I'm going to give the room a really good vacuum since I've got a clean slate to work with.
should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking.
The furniture is out. We're going to start building the headboard and the bed frame. The instructions only had 6 steps, which made it really easy, but none of the bolts or screws were separated, so making sure that we were using the right ones took some time. The nightstands actually came assembled. All I had to do was fix the knobs, so that made the whole process so much easier. The hardest part was just clearing the room and getting out the clutter before actually getting the new bed put together. But you guys, I absolutely love the new look. It's fresh and feels like spring to me. I have a new duvet cover that I was dying to put out, but I wanted to wait until the weather changes a little since it's just so freezing here. But I am in love with the lighter, fresher feeling the new furniture gave the room. And remember, I'll have links to the new furniture in my description box if you're also feeling some of that same spring fever and want to change your room up a little.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Now we're just putting together the bed frame, and this bed is a king size bed, and what I liked about this bed frame is that it has this center piece, so it divides the sides into 2 on each side, and then you put a middle support bracket just to help carry some of the weight, and then there are also slats that we install later on. The fabric on the bed frame is linen, and I ordered the color eggshell.
What you're all about, the way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
I'm so excited. Now I'm bringing in the nightstands. You can tell they're a lot smaller than the ones that I had before, but I love the mirrored look, and there's also a little bit of gray wood on the detail, which I really love also, just to kind of break up the mirrored look. But I feel like it's so much lighter and fresher feeling. The only thing is I'm going to have to be keeping up with my dusting a little bit more because it will show up on the mirror, but either way, I really just love the new look.
Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
So now that the bed is all put together and I've got the mattress cover on, I'm going to go ahead and put on some fresh bed sheets. That way everything is super clean and new when we get into it tonight. I am so excited to crawl into this new bed tonight.
My heart is at war with my thoughts. Oh, and I don't know which side is better. I try to connect all the dots. Oh, to let you in behind my shelter. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love?
And here you'll see I don't have matching pillowcases because the other light blue cases that I have were part of my laundry sheet stripping experiment that I wanted to try, and so that's why I have two different colored ones. But once those are dry and everything, I am going to go ahead and put them on the bed too.
Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? Can I find your love? Where 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 can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, where can I find your love? Where can I find your love that don't cut like paper blade?
So now that everything is in its place, I'm going to go ahead and give everything a really good dusting. So everything, the nightstands, the mirrors, my dresser, all of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and organize what goes into the nightstands and just make sure everything is in its place. And then that way it's all ready for some spring decor that's coming up in the next couple of weeks.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice.
So here I decided to move the center tray that I had on my dresser that had all perfume and cologne bottles. I decided to put all of my perfume in my closet and all of my husband's in his, and that way I could just have kind of a clear space on the dresser. I really wanted to just get used to the new furniture and kind of the new feel of the room before I decide what kind of decor pieces I want on the dresser and what I want displayed and what should be put away. I decided to keep a lot of the books that I reach for in the evening in my nightstand. I do have a bookcase or like a mini area in my closet that I could put them, but I just thought it would be easier if I kept them in my nightstand. That way I can just reach for them at night when I have a few minutes to myself to do some reading. And then on the very top drawer, I'm just putting my hand creams, lotions, things like that, and a couple pens and a notepad for my to-do lists. And since I was dusting anyway, and this is more of a deep clean of a room, I decided to go ahead and dust these shutters, which I did not realize were so incredibly dusty. I really love the look of these shutters, but they do gather a lot of dust in them, and they're white, so it's kind of hard to see it unless you're really up close, or once you start dusting and you realize that things should not be gray, they should be white. But anyway, I'm going to quickly dust all of this, and then we're going to get to the most satisfying part of all at the end of any room deep clean or refresh or whatever it is the vacuuming.
to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
So that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and it gave you some spring cleaning, spring refresh inspiration. Make sure you go ahead and check out that collab playlist that I have in my description box. I'm sure you'll get a ton of motivation and inspiration from that playlist as well.
Better times go, go, go. From my emotions I'll go, go, go. Running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
On Wednesday, I will be having my laundry stripping video up, so make sure that you are subscribed or your notification bell is turned on for that video, because let me tell you, it will completely blow your mind. So make sure that you're ready for that next video. Make sure to say hi in the comments. I always love hearing from all of you, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.
But now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know